If you want to cancel your Venmo free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure that you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, located in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Subscriptions or Manage Subscription. This section will show you all active subscriptions, including your free trial. Step 4. Select the free trial. Locate the free trial subscription you want to cancel. Tap on it to access more details about the subscription, including the cancellation option. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel the subscription. Confirm your decision when prompted to ensure that the cancellation is processed. After completing these steps, your Venmo free trial will be cancelled, and you will not be charged once the trial period ends. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for assistance.